Here we have the 1123 GWR Azuma from London Paddington to Cardiff Central. Here we have the delayed Elizabeth line train going to Heathrow Terminal 4. 345021. (345.021) to Heathrow Terminal 4. Right here we have the 1125 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Didcot Parkway. 37143. And 144. Here we also have a Heathrow Express train from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington. 37132. And 130. Well, my finger was covering the camera. (345.056) passing because it's delayed to Abbey Wood. Here we have the delayed 1120 Elizabeth line train from Abbey Wood down to Reading. Wells Bocher. 345.033, and also on platform 2 is a GWR Azuma. I don't know the numbers, I'll catch them for you on the next film. I'll say we have 345 from Abbey Wood down to Reading, 345.033, whilst we have a district line train off to Upminster. Here we have 345.033 departing from Abbey Wood to Reading. The GWR Azumas was 800.023 and 800.033. Here we have passing as another Heathrow Express train from London and Paddington to Heathrow Terminal 5. 387.141. 387.136. Here we have a GWR IET going from London Paddington to Cheltenham Spa, while we have a Central line train off. 800.002, whilst here we have one of GWR's most finest trains of the decade. 387.168 to Didcot Parkway. 800.033 was on the rear, off to somewhere magical. It might have been 033, but I'm not too sure. 387.158 is on the rear. Here we have the departure of 387.158 off from London Paddington to Didcot Parkway. The train that snuck up on me was 800.023 and 800.033. That was delayed from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington, which means I don't know what the other Azuma was that was going to London Paddington. Right, here we are passing platform 4 is a 66 from Merrhead Quarry to Acton. 66.566. With 59.103 trailing it. Here we have another GWR IET coming from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads. 800 102 on the front. Solely 800 102 to Bristol Temple Meads. Right now, here we have passing is quite a rare occurrence. When GWR don't have enough IETs, they get the 387s coming from Cardiff to London Paddington. This train is from Cardiff Central to London Paddington. 387152. 387148. Here we have a district line train from what I can assume is coming in from Upminster, terminating here at Ealing Broadway. Whilst we have a lovely central line train off to Epping or somewhere magical. Within the space of 5 seconds, here we have a district line train starting here at Ealing Broadway going all the way up to Upminster. Here we have a delayed Elizabeth line train from Abbey Wood down, it might not even be from there, I don't know. Anyway, it's going to Heathrow Terminal 5, 345022. This train is delayed due to an earlier train being broke down. Well, here we have 387135 and 387140 from Terminal 5 to London Paddington. 345022 to Heathrow Terminal 5. Off goes the 345. That was from Abbey Wood to Heathrow Terminal 5. Right here we have a train from Heathrow Terminal 5 to Abbey Wood. Here we have a district line train not in service. Whilst here we have 345011 to Abbey Wood. to Abbey Wood by Canary Wharf, whilst we have a central line train coming in, train 91105 from Epping, I guess, I don't know. Whilst we have three more trains. Here we have a train off the Maidenhead. 37133 is off to Terminal 5 and 134. This is a 345 that's came from Abbey Wood to Maidenhead. I can guess that district line train was coming in from Upminster. (345.020) from Abbey Wood to Maidenhead. Now here you have the passing is 345.020 off to Maidenhead from Abbey Wood. Whilst we have a central line train probably waiting to go to Epping or somewhere magical. We have a passing train off to Reading from what could be Shenfield or Abbey Wood. 345.015. Oh, this train has came from Abbey Wood. It may fool your eyes, but this train is not stopping. (345.015) non-stop, well, should be non-stop, but passengers aren't going to get on, to Reading from Abbey Wood. Here we have a GWR IET coming from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington, whilst 345.015 is departing, which is somehow in service. Elizabeth line train off to Abbey Wood, 345 002. Whilst here we have a train, another Elizabeth line train, who would have thought, to Heathrow Terminal 4, 345 062, whilst on the fast line we have a train from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington, 387139 and 387138. Whilst here we have a GWR IET off to Swansea, 800 009. Here we have 345062 departing from Abbey Wood to Heathrow Terminal 4. Which could be from Shenfield, but real-time trains could be lying to me, like it usually does. Here we have departing is 37164, working the 1158 Great Western Railway service from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington, 37164. Whilst on platform 2 we have a train, 387147 on the rear, whilst here we have a train from Cheltenham Spa to London Paddington. Here we have a Heathrow Express train from London Paddington to Heathrow Terminal 5, 387141. 387136. Here we have a freight train that's left, that is now going through 2 hours late from Leeds down to Southampton. 66546. Here we have a GWR train from what I imagine came from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington, 387144 and 143. Here we have a GWR IET off to London Paddington. 800 something 3. Here we have a GWR IET coming from London Paddington to Swansea. 800 027. 800 027 and 800 025 from Swansea. No, to Swansea from London Paddington. The last train was from Cheltenham Spa. Here we have a Heathrow Express 387 from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington. 387135 and 387140. Here we have 66107 from Tidringham to a magical place. We have 66542. This is from Southampton going to Garston.